Looking to elevate your text content with more style and flexibility on your WordPress site? In this video, we are diving into the paragraph block from Blocks. Perfect for combining title and description into one streamlined block. Choosing SEO-friendly HTML tags, adding drop caps, column, or dynamic content. Whether you want to add a simple paragraph or paragraph with title, I'll guide you through setting it up and customizing. So let's dive in. Before we start, make sure the default WordPress Gutenberg block editor is active on your site. And make sure to install the Blocks free plugin. Step 1. Install and activate the Blocks free plugin. To do that, go to Plugins, click on Add Plugin. Then in the search bar, search for Blocks. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now. Once done, click on Activate. Step 2. Activate the paragraph block. To do that, go to Blocks, then Blocks, and search for paragraph. This is the block. Enable it and click on Save Settings. Let's see the settings of paragraph block from Block. On the paragraph tab, you can add the paragraph. In the content section, you have to add the content, or you can directly add content over here. Then from the alignment, you can align the content. From the columns, you can split the content in multiple columns, like we have done over here. Then from the column gap, you can adjust the column gap. From the drop cap toggle, you can add a drop cap like this. Then from the title tag, you can change the HTML tag of the paragraph content. Then from the title tab, you can add a title to the paragraph by enabling the show title toggle. You can add the title over here, or you can directly add title over here. Then from the tag section, you can change the title tag. In the style tab, you will find all the styling options required to customize this block. In the paragraph tab, you can adjust the paragraph typography, or you can even add global typography. You can adjust the text color. You can adjust link color. If you have added any link, you can add text shadow for normal and hover states. If you have enabled the drop cap toggle, then you will see this option. From here, you can change the view, the drop cap. Based on the selected view, you will find different styling option. From the primary color, you can change the drop cap color. You can add text shadow. You can adjust spacing. From the typography, you can adjust the typography with drop cap. If you have added a heading over here, you will see this title tab. From here, you can adjust the title typography, title color, bottom spacing. You can adjust the text shadow for normal and hover states. From the extra options tab, you can adjust UL, OL, padding and margin. If you have added any list through HTML or through custom fields, then you can adjust the margin and padding from here. In the advanced tab, you will find some additional styling options to style the content of this block, which we have covered in a separate video. So that's it for the paragraph block. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and do subscribe to the channel for more content like this.